Hi everyone, today we're learning how to start a chain stitch, the slip knot. First, take out a length of yarn. Grab your yarn and your crochet hook. Start by wrapping the yarn around your hand. Leave a tail of about 10 centimeters, roughly 4 inches. Now press down with your left middle and index fingers and pinch firmly, right at the middle of this short strand. At this point, the yarn should be pulled taut. Take your hook. From back to front, pick up the yarn. Then rotate the hook one full turn. Now you can see the yarn has formed a small loop on the hook. Use your left index and middle fingers to hold down this crossing point. Then yarn over with your hook. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop and then pull it tight, and that's how you start your chain stitch. From here, you can follow the stitch counts on your pattern chart and crochet away. Method 2. Take your yarn. Hold one end with your left index finger and thumb, nice and firm. Then use your right index finger and thumb to hold the other end. Use your middle finger to scoop up the yarn from underneath. And flip your right hand over to form an X. Use your left hand to pinch that X in place. Then bring the short end around to the back. Through this big loop, reach in and pull out that short strand from behind. Then pull it tight. Now, insert your hook. Pull on the 2 strands below to tighten the loop. And that's another, slightly easier way to start your chain stitch. From here, you can follow the stitch counts on your pattern chart and start crocheting. Thanks for watching.